Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new on my channel, you are welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is another gele tutorial. We are going to be doing the V-shape gele style. Okay, it's a very common gele style, but then some people still don't know how to do it properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve your V style gele properly. Okay, so let's get right into it. You need your ashoke and your pin. See, all thanks to God, we now have other ashoke, so that purple ashoke can now breathe. It can now rest. Okay, I'm going to take off my wig. Yeah, I can't tie the gele with wig. Let me see. It's going to stress me, so let me just remove the wig. Okay, let's go ahead and tie her gele. So this is my ashoke. I'm going to write the length and the width so you guys will know the size of the ashoke. So the first thing you need to do is to fold your gele in like this before you start anything. You don't want this side to be showing. Like, let me show you. You don't want your gele to look like this at the end. So you need to fold this place in. Then you create your pleat. I like creating my pleats on my laps. Okay, I'm not going to show you that, but let me just create the pleats and I'll continue from there. Okay, so I'm done creating my pleat. I have 5 pleats here. I'm going to place it on my head. So just do what works for you. Okay, if you can't create the pleat on your head, I can do it, but then I prefer doing it on my laps. That way it's very convenient for me and, you know, fast. So just make sure you arrange your pleat on your head properly. Instead of putting it, straight like this, you are going to put it behind your ear. So this is how you are going to do it. Then you take it to the back. This side is going to cover your hair. Then this side is going to be behind your hair. Now you are going to take the shorter hand to the front. Just look at what I'm doing. Okay, take it to the front like so. Then use it to cover this hair. Then you create the same pleat, 5 pleats on this side. Can you see? So this way you have successfully formed your V shape at the front here. So you create your pleats. You create 5 pleats. Sorry, I'm using my screen as my mirror. Although there is a mirror right in front of me, but I can't see myself properly. So that is why I'm using my phone screen. So please bear with me. If I'm not making eye contact with you guys, bear with me, okay? I have another mirror at the side here, but the lighting is not good. If the camera is facing, if I face this place and the camera is facing like this, the lighting is not that good. So this is the best angle for me. So that is why I'm not making use of my dressing mirror. But you guys can see what I'm doing, right? Now before I continue, let me check my mic. Okay, it's still working. I forgot to charge my mic. So anywhere the audio stops, just continue to look at what I'm doing, please. Because I can't guarantee that this mic is going to last throughout the end of this video. So I'm going to create one more pleat. Can you guys see? Make sure it is very firm. So I'm just going to secure this one I'm going to secure it. Okay, so I'm still going to secure it again. Secure it as many times as possible. So I'm done securing my gele. So you come back to this side. If you like, you can still use it to cover your hair like so. But just make sure you are not covering this part. It should be on top of this plate here. Here. Then you start creating your pleat. But before I go ahead, let me just define the first pleat. Make sure it is tight. Oh. Okay. So let's go ahead and continue creating our pleats. So we have two pleats already. Make sure you are doing it to the back. So I have one more pleat to go. Make sure you pleat it to the back. Oh. So once you are done with that, you come back to this side and you start arranging your pleat. Make sure it is firm. So you start arranging the pleats one after the other. So before you go ahead to finally secure your gele, make sure you arrange everything properly. Then you can now finally secure your gele. So once you are done securing your gele, you arrange the pleats properly and you style it to your taste. So guys, our gele is ready. You can just push it back a little bit. So you can never finish adjusting your gele. You will see something that still needs adjustment. Yeah, but I think it is okay now. Yeah, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you have learned a new way of styling your gele. Okay, let me know if you are going to be trying this style in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.